welcome back to the last video of Section 5. As the course stands right now, that's pretty much the end of the course. I'm going to have one more video in Section 6 that is going to be a call to action. I really ask that you do watch that because I've got a relatively important message in that section or in that video, and I really hope that people actually stick around and listen to it. It's going to kind of wrap all of us up with a bow and tell you what I hope people will do with the stuff that they learn from this course. But this functionally wraps it all up. In this last section, we've gone over how to create multi-threaded stock price watchers and prioritized queue data structures within your databases, and how to take all of the foundations that we've built throughout this course and build on top of them with some more advanced topics. I really hope that you've learned a ton from this course and from this section in particular. I hope that it creates more powerful spiders and more powerful scrapers for you, and that you're able to use this stuff to do some really cool projects here in the future. I will likely add to this course as time goes on. If you've already bought it on Udemy, you're going to get all of that extra material just because you've already paid for it. So don't worry about all of that. I will send out updates however Udemy allows me to send out updates if I add to this course in the future. But as of the time of recording, the original course, Section 5, is the last one. And it was a pretty cool one to stop on. We built some really awesome stuff and talked about some really awesome concepts that I think is really going to take your scraper development projects into the next level. So thank you so much for sticking around. As I've said before, the next video is going to be a call to action, not tons of practical material there. That is the Section 6 as it stands right now is the call to action. So please do stick around, check that out. It would really, I think it's going to help you a lot to understand my perspective and where I came from in developing this course. But with this being the last current development section, thank you so much. Please leave a review if you're watching this on Udemy. It helps a lot, not just in kind of promoting the course, but also in letting me know what I did wrong and different things that I can add to the course to make it better. It basically is only going to help you because, like I said, you've already bought the course. Now it's just work that I've got to do in order to improve it. So thank you so much for sticking around, and I hope you learned a ton and that you can develop some really awesome stuff in the future with what you've learned.